Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share a super easy and creamy yogurt rice recipe made in the Instant Pot. Yogurt or curd rice is a South Indian dish made with a pre-cooked rice, curd or yogurt and tempering with spices. Personally, I love to finish my lunch with this creamy and soul-satisfying yogurt rice. It's great for summer days. My kids' favorite is to eat yogurt rice with potato fry. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make yogurt or curd rice in the Instant Pot. Check the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. Wash and drain the sona masuri or any short grain rice. Add rice to the inner pot. Add salt as per your taste. Add milk. It gives a nice creamy texture to the curd rice. We need rice to be mushy, so adding 3 cups of water. Give it a mix. Close the lid and seal the vent. Pressure cook the rice for 5 minutes. Turn off the keep warm button. Crush the ginger and green chilli. I'm making it mild. Adjust the green chilli as per your spice level and keep it aside. Once the rice is done cooking, let the pressure release naturally for 5 minutes and release the remaining pressure. Once the pin goes down, open the lid carefully. Give it a mix. Look at that rice, it's nice and mushy. Now add in crushed ginger and green chilli, hing. Give it a mix. If you want, you can add 1 tablespoon of butter, it's optional. Add chopped coriander leaves. Let the rice cool down to room temperature. Check the ingredients for tempering. For tempering, take a pan. Once the pan is hot, add oil. Once it's hot, add dry red chilli. Saute it for a few seconds. Add mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Add urad dal. Saute it till urad dal turns slightly brown in color. You can add cashews instead. Add curry leaf. Let it splatter. Now add the tempering to the rice. Make sure that the rice is at room temperature so that after adding yogurt and milk, it won't get hard. Give it a mix. I'm going to add a homemade yogurt which I made in the Instant Pot. I have given the recipe link in the description box below. Please do check it. Sour cream. Keep mixing it. Add heavy cream. This gives a nice white color to the yogurt rice. And milk. Check the salt and adjust as per your taste. Super simple and soul satisfying creamy yogurt rice is ready. It goes great with potato fry or with Indian pickle. Enjoy it cold or at room temperature. If you want, you can add some pomegranates, shredded cucumber or shredded carrots. This is entirely optional. Give this yogurt rice a try. Trust me, you will love it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.